we'll switch gears now into audio. So imagine if there was a magic wand tool, but instead of selecting pixels, you're able to select audio, right? Here to show you that magic is Justin Salamon with Project SoundSeek. Welcome, Justin.
Hi, everyone. I'm very excited to be here today and show you this cool new technology we've been working on. Sorry, I guess I'm a little nervous. You know what? It would be great if we could take the audio recording of this session and edit out my ahs to make me sound a little smoother. But I guess right now we'd have to load it up into Audition or Premiere, listen to the whole thing, to find all the ahs, and that would take a long time. But what if there were a faster way to do this? So today, I'm very happy to present Project SoundSeek, which is like the Photoshop magic wand, but for sound. Let's have a look. So I'm going to load up our prototype, developed with my colleagues Wang and Bryan, and I've loaded up a recording of myself. Let's have a listen.
Hi, everyone. I'm very excited to be here today and show you a cool new technology we've been working on.
All right. So I want to find all the ahs. And with SoundSeek, what I can do is I can select just the first one, which I believe is over here. Let's listen, just to double check. OK. And I'm going to hit Analyze. And immediately, I see this red detection curve appear. Under the hood, we're using a few shots deep learning model. So we're using a deep learning model that can learn to recognize new sounds on the fly based on just a handful of user selections. So here I've given it just one selection, and it brings back these 4 red spikes representing matches. Let's listen to what SoundSeek has found. If we can.
Yeah.
There you go. That's the first one. Second. Third. And it doesn't want to play the fourth one. All right. But so with just one selection, it automatically finds all of my ahs. And my original goal was actually to remove the ahs. And SoundSeek knows where the ahs are now. So I have this convenient little remove button over here. And I can just click that, and it will automatically remove the ahs and load up a clean audio track for me. Let's have a listen.
Hi, everyone. I'm very excited to be here today and show you a cool new technology we've been working on.
All right. Now, this is just a short example, but imagine having to edit a 2-hour-long recording with ahs and ums and finding all of those. So, OK, this is pretty cool, but what if my audio track isn't in English? Well, SoundSeek is completely language agnostic, which means it works in any language. So here I've loaded up a recording, an audio track in Spanish, where the word bueno is said multiple times. So let's have a listen and listen out for the buenos.
Bueno, aquí tenemos, bueno, una demostración de, bueno, una nueva tecnología que puede, bueno, detectar sonidos automáticamente y, bueno, ayudarnos.
OK, now I'm actually working on a video project where I want to use the word bueno, but I want to find the perfect bueno for my project. So again, I need to find the buenos. So as before, I'm going to select the first example. And because bueno is said pretty differently each time here, I'm also going to select the second one. I'm going to hit Analyze. I get my red spikes. And now I actually want to keep the bueno. So instead of hitting my Remove button, I'm going to hit my Keep button. And what SoundSeek does is it just loads up only the sounds that match what I'm looking for, and I can listen to them in sequence to choose the one I want to use. So let's listen to this.
Bueno, 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 bueno.
Muy bueno. All right. So finally, what if the sound I'm looking for isn't a word? What if it's not speech at all? Well, turns out SoundSeek works with pretty much any sound.
No.
So in this last example, I've loaded up a recording where I wanted to record an audio message to wish my mom happy birthday, but something got in the way. Let's have a listen.
Hi, Mom. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're having an awesome time on your rock climbing trip. I can't wait to join you. Love you.
All right. So clearly, I can't send this to my mom like this. But the speech is fine. What I actually care about are the beeps.
And I'm sorry about that, by the way. It's just you were double parked, and I was trying to get around you, and
So that's OK. I'm going to select the first beep.
well, don't erase me from history. But
All right. And I'm going to hit Analyze. And it finds the beeps for me. And you know what? Let's do that again, just quickly. Get that just right.
You got
Yep.
this. You got this.
Yeah, my keyboard is not. There we go.
Yep.
You get it?
Try that
You
again.
nailed it.
Analyze. All right. And this time I actually want to remove the beeps, so let's hit remove. And automatically it loads up a new recording for me. Let's have a listen, see what we get back.
Hi, Mom. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're having an awesome time on your rock climbing trip. I can't wait to join you. Love you.
All right. So, with SoundSeek, powered by Adobe Sensei, you can find any word, any sound in a matter of seconds. And I can finally wish my mom a very happy birthday. Thanks, everyone.
Project Sounds.
I like that his mom was rock climbing during
I know.
all that.
What a.
Just free soloing a
Yeah.
side of a mountain.
Yeah, exactly. You got an adventurous mom.
Yes,
All
very.
right. But it is
Fun
pretty
fact.
cool. You could actually, I know you do like Big Mouth. You do a lot of voiceover work as well.
Yes.
Like you could just fire. Well, I'm not telling you. I don't know what it's like in the studio, but regardless of what you say,
I
they
make
can-
a lot of noises that they go, could you not do that?
Yeah.
I like
they-
to pop my peas, and I like to go in between takes.
You could almost do that all you want.
Have you ever tried to talk through a burp where you go like, and I, you know? I do that.
Do you?
So I don't
Okay.
think I'm going to be in the next Spider-Verse.
I think you would be great.